Hello, doing a review today of the Exploro highly sensitive THC testing. Truth, I have teenagers. That's why I got this. I got this because it can detect THC metabolite in urine for up to 35 to 45 days. So I really wanted to know what was going on behind closed doors. I am that mom. But these are also really recommended for those that are going for like pre-employment screening for drugs, and they use the same standards, this company, Exploro, the highly sensitive, the same standards that are used in your labs. So what else about this is really nice? This is a pack of 15. They come in different packs, and they're really, really easy to use. Each test strip comes in an individual package, and on the back, it has easy to use or easy to read results of how to read them. You can also scan a QR code, go online, and they have online testing and guide support. Customer service with the company is great. And again, these are just top-notch, highly sensitive, and they have been very accurate for us. So if you are needing or looking for some highly sensitive THC test strips, then I highly recommend these by Exploro.